guys, in this video I'll show you how to create engaging TikTok videos. In order to do that, let's first open in here at TikTok. Now from in here, head over and then click on the plus icon that you can see on the bottom. Then from in there, just head over and then create in here a picture or a video, or you can also upload in here if you want to as well. So for example, let's just try to upload right here a certain video. So you can upload in here any video that you want, but make sure that you can have this option in here. Now from in there, click on next option. Now, in order to make an engaging video, you need to head over and then produce your own content, and you can also add subtitles or captions. In order to do that, you can expand right here on the editor, and then from in there you can see this edits option. Click on this edit right here. Then from in there, you should be able to see your editor. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of options that you can choose from in here, like for example, sound sync and all of that. Click on the text right here, click on captions, and then it will upload and process a video for you and audio, and then this will actually add some captions to your video. Once it's done processing, you should be able to see this right here, and as you can see, it's much more engaging with that. Next thing you need to do is head over and then add in here a music. Click on sound right here, click on add sound, and then right here, just choose the sound that is trending right now. Like for example, Espresso by Sabrina Carpenter. So you can head over and search for a specific sound that is trending. And then from in there, just head over and then add this to your actual video. So you can see this from right here. Just head over and click on check right here in order to add that there. Then once you have added that, click on this next option right here, and then add in here a description, and also add in here some hashtags as well. Like for example, FYP viral and all of those things. Once you're done with that, just head over and then post your video, and then you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.